Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix "we are sorry but something went wrong, please try again" issue on Instagram. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, simply drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly and you are using a strong internet connection. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply uninstall your Instagram app for one time in your device. So guys, simply uninstall the Instagram app in your device, and after this download the latest version of Instagram app in your device again. So guys, for that you have to go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. And now you have to download the latest version of Instagram app in your device. So guys, do this and again sign in your account in your Instagram and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Instagram support team for further information and help. So guys, if your account is blocked, then you may face this issue again and again. So guys, you have to simply request the Instagram team and they will hopefully try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours if you have not violated any community guidelines on Instagram. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.